Hey everyone, this is Nick with Us versus Herd. If it's your first time here and you're enjoying the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications for when we post videos or go live, tap the bell. Today we're going to be going over Webull. I haven't done a lot of videos on this, just kind of started dabbling with it, just trying to give it a chance. This is for stock trading. Webull offers stock trading and they don't offer options trading yet. So I'm just going to be going over options trading on this in terms of how it compares to like Robinhood. It is a zero commission brokerage as well. But in my opinion, the platform is way more robust. Like in my opinion, I think that this is what mobile trading was meant to be. I think in terms of Robinhood, you know, they wanted to make it really easy for people to get involved with the stock market. But at the end of the day, I really think they did a disservice by taking a lot of stuff out that, you know, I think that you need good information, which we're going to go through. So we're going to go through some of these tabs, show you what's good about it, show you what's bad about it, and also we're gonna do a trade as well, just so you can kind of see what that looks like as well. You know, from the very beginning, you have the watch list here. You can easily add to your watch list by just hitting, you know, whatever symbol you want. They also provide, like, you know, the most search, your history is, of course. So let's say we wanted to add, you know, we could add Baba if we want to add Baba, and then down here we just add to watch list. So, and then you can create multiple watch lists too. So if you like, you know, if you want to have like an options trading watch list, or if you want to have like a China watch list, if you want to have penny stock watch list, you know, whatever works for you. So it's nice that you can kind of customize that. You can create alerts within those, within that. But let's go back to the charts here. You know, as you can see, there's a lot more on the screen compared to Robinhood. There's a lot more that you can look at. I mean, obviously the charting is kind of similar. The nice thing is, like, if you click on this little button right here, it kind of lets you expand the chart. And, you know, you got nice candles in there. You can draw. You can change it from, you know, 6 months to, like, this is just the 1 day chart. And then you can also change the time frame, which is, like, for me personally, I like trading off the 15-minute time frame, 15-minute candles. So this is perfect. They also have a lot of different things that you can a lot of different candles that you could use if you don't like the candles, if you like hollow candles, or you like solid or bars instead, you know. So it's really nice. You know, that's the one thing, is that Robinhood was really lacking in the charting. You know, I know they just started to offer bars, candles, but they don't let you select the time frame to do it in. So this is definitely nice. So you can easily do a trade here. Just hit quick trade, and as you can see, you can buy and sell the stock right here, and then you can set it automatically. I like that Webull sets it automatically to limit as your order type. Robinhood sets it to market, and market, like, if you're an experienced trader, you never do market, and having people start off getting used to, like, the market trades, you know, you're not going to get the best price, especially if, like, liquidity is not, you know, if the stock's moving around a lot, and let's say liquidity is not, obviously, like on Baba, you're not going to have a problem, but if the stock's moving around a lot, you're not going to get the best price, even if it has high liquidity. Interesting thing here is they kind of show you some more information about the stock, you know, capital flows, and then you can also get, you know, news, press releases. You know, it kind of really drills down into, I know Robinhood just added news and stuff, but this is nice just to see. I mean, I don't recommend trading off of what analysts' opinions are, but it's, you know, it's nice to see that they have that information in here. I do really like to have the financials in there. Kind of shows you what their income is, their balance, cash flow, and these are their financial I mean, this is just some really great information, especially if you're buying stocks for, like, the long term. And, you know, I think it's a great tool to have, honestly. You know, and this is the profile, shows you what kind of sector they're in, you know, what institutional holdings, if any, and then kind of like what their biggest shareholders here for institutional are, you know, what they're holding. So, you know, it's nice to have that information all in one place. Under the markets, you know, some people care about this, some people don't care about it, but, you know, under the United States, obviously, you know, we care about. But if you want to see what's going on in the UK or Germany, or the indices or futures, they also have forex and crypto. And then the ETF. So I like the way that they organize this. Very nice. And then in terms of the IPO, you can see what IPOs are coming out. You can see if there's any earnings. They have a built-in earnings calendar. I mean, the data on this and the way they organize it is pretty nice, that you can kind of drill down this. And it's just a couple. They make these tabs easily accessible that you can get to. Let's see, 5-minute gainers. You can see what last gain in 5 minutes. I think this is important. If you're a penny stock trader and stuff like that, you'll get a pretty good use of this. Pre-market gainers, and then on this page they have hot sector. They got net inflow, and then they have just some more data which you can go through. I'm not going to go through all this just because they do pack a lot. I just want to go through some of these tabs here. I mean, they keep going. Commodities, and everything. The trade page. So this is the trade page. Really easy to use. Actually, just playing around with it in terms of a platform. So I did buy some NIO, and then I got a share of Snap for actually depositing money. So if you deposit money, they'll actually, if you deposit like more than $100, they'll actually give you a free share of something. And they gave me Snap for signing up. If you want to open up an account, I do have a link below. I'm not getting paid from Webull or any way, but if you want to use my link below, I definitely would appreciate it. If not, no worries. But in terms of the trade page and your positions and open orders, I think it's nice, because a lot of times when you do an order like in Robinhood, it just goes away. You don't know, like I've gotten a lot of messages from new traders like, hey, I put an order in, but it never got filled, and they didn't realize it didn't get filled. If you're new to trading and you don't get that message, hey, this order filled, and people just think just because they submitted an order because it got filled, that's definitely not the case. So you can see like, hey, there's open orders right here, just right on the page tab, trade tab. Like if you go on there and you see open orders, that didn't get ordered, and then you can see here it's very clear. I think it's very clear, and they keep it very open for what you have, what you don't have, what you have currently tied up in stocks. Like I bought $87 worth of stock of NAO, and then also really nice here, just on the one page, it shows you what you're up, what you're down on the position. Like they gave me this share, I'm down 2% on it. I bought these shares, I'm up 13-14% on them. And the other thing that's interesting is this risk level. So if you click on risk level, it'll tell you like how much are you risking, pretty crazy. I don't really know how that calculates that. I don't know if it means like, I'm not really sure how it calculates it. So, but I think that they just put how much capital you are exposed to the market, which I think my risk level would be higher because I'm like 50% deployed pretty much. So they do have like, what's your account P&L, which Robinhood does as well. You can do from last month, or you can do last week, or you can do custom. Like since I just opened this account not that long ago and just started using it, there's not gonna be that much going on here. But what we can do actually, I don't know if I want to buy more Snap. Maybe I'll buy some more shares of NIO just to kind of show you how it works. So let's go to buy. So if you already have that position, you can just click on it already, and then you can click on the buy tab here. You can close it. You can get quotes. Otherwise you can go to this like trade button here and type the symbol in. Do NIO, and then you can see what the price is up here. You can buy, you can sell if you have it, and if it's an extended hours trade, you could put extended hours here. As well. And then you can have the chart, you can have what your position is, and then you can have like what your pending orders are. So, I like that they try to keep everything up front of what you have, what you don't have. So let's just buy, just to do like a small order. We'll just do like, I think you can change the defaults of how many it does. We'll just do like 5. We'll set one for $9.93 here. And you can see we're gonna purchase 5 shares. See if it goes through. Okay, it's currently working. I don't think we got filled. Oh, there we go. And we just got filled. All 5 of them for $9.93. So pretty simple. Then you can kind of go back to the quotes here. And it was going down a little bit, so then we must have caught it out. We must not have got it right away. We just must have got like on the down tick there and got filled. So now it shows me how much cash balance I have actually in there, how much I have left over to trade on this. Shows you how many day trades you have left. If you're into day trading, as you know, you can only day trade 3 times every 5 business days if you have less than a $25,000 account, which this account currently is. And you can open it did give me a choice when I opened an account. It did give me a choice to open a cash account or a margin account. I chose margin just to see what the opportunities were there, just to see what they would give me. But you can also open a cash account too if you want. Streams, you know, again, they give you a lot of information. So I think what Webull was trying to do was become everything that Robinhood isn't and give you all the information that you need to make a dedicated decision, versus like on Robinhood, you have to use different platforms to get good information. You have to look up numbers on this platform. You have to look up charts on another platform, and then you have to look up news on another platform. They give it to you all right here. And then you can explore as well. This is they keep going, and you can get different quote levels. You can buy for faster quotes, and like you can add on stuff into here. It's free from the get-go, but you can add on different types of quotes if you want, as you can see here. It depends really what level of your trading. These are probably geared towards more higher end traders than casual retail traders. So the other thing is you could paper trade. Which is nice. They start you off with $1 million, which is probably a bit overkill. They should do. You could trade whatever you want to trade, but you can start off with like a small position, like $500 at a time, or $1,000, $2,000, whatever you think that your account size is going to be. Or if you want to like back test certain things, you can trade here, which is really nice, especially if you're new, and starting to get a feel for the market. I mean, you want to paper trade, right? And to figure out how it goes. And they also have a school tab, which you can learn the basics, I think, just of the stock market. But that's nothing you can't get off YouTube. I guess it's not currently working. So I know there's going to be upgrade, as it says here. There was like 5.0 or something coming out, so we'll see what happens. We'll do a new video if the update is changed in a big way. Anyway, so kind of recap. Webull gives you the tools that you need to make an educated choice all in one platform. Again, if you are interested in signing up for Webull, I have a link below to sign up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If this video was of value to you, hit the like button. And it's always us versus herd. Stay safe, stay green.